I'm Fenghua, founder of WeQ. I'm on the EMBA course of CKGSB Cheung Graduate School of Business. I started WeQ 7 years ago from a one-person company. Now we have 300 people. WeQ is a company which manufactures flexible liquid crystal fuel. It's a concept to gradually change the light. Very easy to use, and it's a huge market, huge potential. The innovation environment in China give us a good platform to develop our own technologies. Especially now, China become a big powerhouse for innovation. All the startup entrepreneurs are driving a lot of innovation in China. CKGSB professors are amazing. It's a great school. A lot of elite professors from lots of elite universities. I have met a lot of interesting people. Everybody from there looks like they have some power. They have energy flowing. I really enjoyed it because the connection, the friendship, the whole school. You can feel there's a lot of energy going on. It's a really good community to get involved. I really want to learn a lot of knowledge from CKGSB to gather me how to run a company to scale up. In CKGSB, I learn how to be a entrepreneur, how to run a business, how to be a good leader in my company, how to create value for employees, for co-workers, for the society. There are a lot of things to do for WeQ.